I would like to borrow a book.
Sure, do you already know which book you want to get?
Yes, Charles Dickens, Hard Times.
A moment that I look for it in the catalog. Here you go, you should give me your card.
Of course.
The library loan lasts for 30 days. You can renew the loan for another 15 days if the book has not been reserved by another user.
All right, thank you. Hi, I come return this book.
Okay, thanks. I need your card.
Here it is.
Here it appears that you are 2 weeks late for the return.
Yes, I'm sorry. I've been out of town.
I'm sorry, but now I have to suspend you from the loan for the some period of time, 2 weeks.
Okay, excuse me. It won't happen again. Have a good day. What is the primary purpose of a library?
C. To lend books and other material for reading and research. Which of the following best describe a library?
B. A place for borrowing and returning books. Which of the following is not a common feature of a library?
Copy shop. What role does a librarian typically play in a library?
D. Helping visitors to find information and resource. What makes a library a valuable resource in a community?
Its provision of free access to information and educational resources. What is typical used to organize books in a library?
E. Bookshelves. What do you use to search for books in a library's collection?
Library catalog. What is typical used to borrow books from a library?
Library card. What might you find in the reference section of a library?
Encyclopedia. What do you use to check out books from a library?
Checkout machine. What is an appropriate greeting when welcoming visitors to the library?
Welcome to the library. How may I assist you today? What is an appropriate response if a visitor asks for help finding a book?
B. Politely assist them in locating the book or directing them to someone who can help. What should library staff do if a visitor appears to be violating library rules or policy?
Politely remind them of the rules and offer guidance on how to comply. Which room in a library is typical designed for quiet study and reading?
Reading room. How do you check out a book from a library?
Bring the book to the librarian and present your library card. What is the typical duration for borrowing a book from the library?
B. 1 week. What is the process for renewing a borrowed book?
Return the book and check it out again. What may happen if you return a library booklet?
B. You will be fined a small amount of money for each day it is overdue. Where might you find a librarian desk in a library?
Near the entrance. Where would you go to borrow a book from the library?
To the library's checkout counter or self-checkout machine.